war was over and the spirit was broken. The hills were smoking as the men withdrew. We stood on the cliffs and watched the ships slowly sinking to their rendezvous.
They signed a treaty and our homes were taken. Loved ones forsaken, they didn't give a damn. Try to raise a family, end up the enemy over what went down on the plains of Abraham.
Acadian driftwood, gypsy tailwind, they call my home the land of snow. Canadian cold front rolling in. What a way to ride, oh, what a way to go. Then some return to the motherland. The high command had them cast away, and some stayed on to finish what they started. They never parted, they're just built that way.
We had kin living south of the border. They're a little older and they've been around. They wrote in a letter, life is a whole lot better. So pull up your stakes, children, and come on down.
Acadian drift